Glock returns to Instagram for the first time since the passing of young Dolph.
Rich problem. $6-figure car, but you can't let that motherfucker sit in the garage too long because the battery gonna always die. This motherfucker really a remote control.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
How much I paid for it? I ain't never got rid of no car I had. Except the one I wrecked. A McLaren with the butterfly doors and a Lambo with them too. Yeah, I did myself with this one. You really did, Glock. They've been neglecting this motherfucker. I'm so sorry, baby. You need to wash it. I'm so sorry. The one for Trade Hop. Anybody can go get one of them Trade Hops. Anybody can't go find that one. Oh yeah, and I've been on the 63 way before y'all knew about it. Way before y'all got hooked. Yeah, it's the first edition though. They ain't even making these no more, so I got to keep mine. Yeah, the Doom. But we ain't doing too much talking. I'm talking neat like freak. I'm talking neat like fleek. I'm talking neat like you come with me for A to B. I'm talking B, spelling B.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.